what I did, I leveled the floors so I could place this insulation, as you can see here. Now I did some markings, so this is like the future bathroom area. So I did a connection here. This is coming from the neighbor. This connection I installed earlier this morning, and it follows to the street. When you are connecting two pipes, you should keep it clean, so no sand or anything else will get stuck here. So yeah, keep it clean. Use this special lubricant and try not to damage this rubber gasket here. So how to determine the proper slope? Like I said, it's 10 millimeters per 1 meter. So you can use laser for that. But the other option is to take your level. I know it's 600 millimeters long, so I need 6 millimeters on one end of this level. So now what I need to do is I take this level, I place it on the pipe, and then it should be in between the two lines. It's a bit more, so the minimum, at least in what I use, is 10 millimeters per 1 meter, but if it's a bit bigger, it's no problem. So yeah, this is 600 millimeters. So this plastic here is 6 millimeters thick. So I get the slope 10 millimeters per 1 meter, and it makes my life a bit easier. So the other option is to take your laser, which I have here, and then you can just take your tape measure or this measuring stick, and you can just move from lower to higher. Just take the measurement here. So this is 1 meters long, and this end should be 10 millimeters lower number. So because the distance between the laser line and the pipe gets shorter. That's how I installed these sewage pipes. So the other important thing is to install these pipes so they stay firm and they don't move. So I use these brackets here and on these pipes as well, because they are a bit higher than the firm ground beneath. So it was easier for me to use them to get the right slope. And then I added some construction foam underneath. You have to be careful. If your distance is too long, this foam actually can push the pipes a bit up. So you want to keep them straight. And yeah. And now I will add some more insulation and more construction foam, so that way I know it stays the way they are. So I finished laying all the pipes, including sewage and water pipes. So as you can see here, they go in the insulation to this wall here. It's going to be a box with a small door. So it's like a maintenance box.